Today on Science Fridays with John, we're going to play with a ping pong ball, some water, and a mason jar, and see why a ball always floats to the side. Stay tuned. I'll see you in the lab. Hi everyone, I'm John, the Science Guy, and welcome to another Science Fridays with John. I am so happy that you popped by my lab today. And as I get ready here, I have a question for you. I want to know, have any of you ever been to sport, played with a ball? Whether it was a ping pong ball, or soccer ball, or any other type of round ball. Could even be a golf ball. All right. I'm going to open my mason jar right here, and I'm just going to take some of my water. And I'm going to pour that water into my mason jar like so. Get a little more water in there. I'm going to fill it just about to that second rim, right like that. Okay? All right. Let's take a deeper look at this with our close-up cam. Okay, so I'm gonna put the ping pong ball on the top of the water. And if I push the ball just a little bit, you notice that it floats to one side. If I push it just a little bit, try to get it to go to the center, it won't go to the center. If I push it just a little bit more to go to the center, it does it. It keeps going from side to side, no matter every little touch I make, any touch I make, it doesn't matter where I make it, a tiny touch, it always goes to the side. Now, what if we want to actually be in the center like that? But there's only one way to make that happen. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and pour some water into the mason jar so that it's just about the brim. Okay? Okay. Now, I'm going to put the ball on top of the water, and you're going to notice that the ball stays in the center. If I push it, it always seems to return back to the general center. Okay, so you might be wondering, why does this work like this? Well, this has to do with Bernoulli's principle, which really states that something is going to gravitate to lower pressure. So by us filling the mason jar just to the point when it's almost overflowing, we change the lower pressure point to where that is. So in fact, now that it happens to be in the center, that's where it's going. So it always comes just around the center, but when that was a little bit lower, it was gravitating to the side. So why do I share this with you? Well, in your life, sometimes we're always gravitating toward one side. And we want to be in the center. We want to be balanced. So how can we be balanced if we're always going to the left, or always going to the right? Very simple. It might be an answer of maybe that you're burning the candle at two ends, and that can be a problem. It could be an issue in the fact that you just don't have the time. You're not investing into it. Or it might be that your passion is not really as strong as you think it is. And when your why is not loud enough, nothing's going to manifest in your life. Therefore, if we focus our attention on something and we make sure our passion is very loud and comes from our heart with real strong emotion and feeling, we can do anything. I am John, the Science Guy. Thank you so much for popping by my lab. I hope you'll like, love, support the video. Definitely comment below. Share this with everyone you know. And of course, click on the PayPal link and make the choice to buy my team and I a hot beverage, a bowl of fruit, or a savory dessert. Either way, we're going to be grateful for those pennies and dollars you invest into us. We'll put that into new hardware, new technology, new equipment, new software, even new facilities to give you the most jaw-dropping, motivational, empowered content to change your life, to become a better version of yourself. Remember, if you're gravitating to one side and keep moving back and forth, your life is out of balance. Make the choice to get in balance and success will follow you and be with you for your life. See you in another video real soon, everyone. Take care.